Can you drive a Cybertruck all the way down Route 66? Yes. Should you drive a Cybertruck all the way down Route 66? We'll talk about that. I think I'm the first person to actually do it. In October of 2024, there are really a shocking amount of Tesla charging stations on Route 66. There are several dirt miles of Route 66. And when you get to that, man, you gotta slow way down. I cannot go faster than 13 here in Arizona. Who would have thought a Cybertruck wasn't great on dirt? Kinda doesn't seem right, does it? But most of the way you're gonna be fine. The Cybertruck certainly feels very spacious. You don't feel very confined. And man, when you are out in the desert, especially at night, and you have that moonroof, that sunroof, that window over top of you, and it's panoramic, I mean, dude, there's nothing like it. No, I really only used the auto steering on my way back when I took the interstate. One bad thing is that everywhere you stop, people will ask you about the Cybertruck. And that's cool, right? Like, you're gonna make a lot of friends and meet a lot of people, but every single fucking time you stop, someone is gonna ask you about the Cybertruck. If you're driving a Cybertruck, you obviously wanna know how fast you can get it. Route 66 is gonna allow you to go wide open. It was a work vehicle, so this is obviously just for entertainment purposes. Everything I say after this, I got it up to 110. If you do that, just be aware that when you slow it down, it's gonna wanna get away from you. There's plenty of wide open spaces though out there, which you could probably just go buck wild. There is one part though I wish I would have known about, because I didn't do the research I should have done before I did this trip, because I'm an idiot. It's called the Sidewinder. It's something outrageous, like miles of turns. It looks like the road from Pee-wee's Big Adventure. That gets a little dicey in a Cybertruck. There are charging stations everywhere. That's the cool thing. And for the most part, the charging stations are places that you want to hang out, right? Because it's going to take a while every time you stop. So Wally's, Bucky's are going to be your best friend. There were only a few sketchy places that had Tesla charging stations. Don't listen to the truck. The Cybertruck will lie to you. Elon's fudging the numbers. It's going to go, oh no, dog, you can make it to Gallup. And then you're going to be in the desert praying to God, which happened to me. Dude, it was terrifying, like literally 1 o'clock in the morning, Looney Tunes desert, not a soul out there, right? The number on the Cybertruck, it says how many miles you got left, and it keeps going down. And eventually the Cybertruck itself routes me, changes my route to go someplace else, but in doing so, I'm fully prepared for the Cybertruck to die and for me to die out there with it, right? So always charge it up to 100% and don't expect to save any money. We actually did the math on that, and gas was pretty expensive as well. So is it economical? No, but I think the positives outweigh the negatives, at least on the way down Route 66. Now, if you're just going one way, Cybertruck all the way, right? But if you have to take that Cybertruck back home and you're gonna take the interstate, oh my God, nightmare, because you're gonna have to stop every few hours and charge it every few hours. And it added 2 days onto my trip, which that's really something to think about, because with Route 66, it's perfect, right? I mean, it forces you to stop and take a look at the scenery and meet people. But on the interstate, oh man. But whatever you drive, whatever you take, however you get there, I implore you, please drive Route 66. It was one of the most amazing experiences of my life. I knew it was gonna be awesome, but there was just so much more cool stuff. And when I did it, it was on the lead up to the election last year. And it was obviously the most divisive, polarizing time in recent memory, right? But it gave me hope in humanity and in the country, because everybody was just so nice. And I think that that's what you're gonna find. And it was amazing. So yeah, whatever you choose, do it. Once again, positives and negatives, make the decision yourself.